So you might be trying to figure out how you can use that new Instagram Blend feature that just came out. Now, Instagram Blend allows you to kind of like see reels and stuff like that, and kind of allows you to kind of like blend in other things that you're doing in your account with other people's account in terms of like seeing reels. So it's really cool. It's really collaborative. To get started, what you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and open up your Instagram application like this. Then what you're going to want to do is you want to swipe to the side to get into your DM panel, and you want to make your way over into a chat. So make your way over into any DM that you're already in, and then what you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and click in the top right corner right up here, and you should be able to see this like smiley face icon with like a up arrow or something like that right there. It's going to look like this. What you want to do is you want to tap on it, and it's going to show you this type of thing. So it's going to tell you, do you want to invite, so and so to blend? So it says you get to see each other's suggested reels. You get new reels based on the chat, and it's invite only. So if you want to invite them, what you can do is click on invite, and it will go ahead and send out a blend invite for them. So now on their side, they can go through and they can see if they want to accept it. They can go and use it if they want to, or they can get access to it. And then at that point, your reels will then be kind of suggested by themselves on both. And it's actually pretty cool. So it's really basic to do, and that's essentially how you do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.